Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll walk you through Netflix's download limits and an easy way to download your favorite shows using StreamFab Netflix Downloader. Lots of people want to download Netflix videos for offline watching, but Netflix has put strict limits on how you can do this. You can only download on as many devices as your plan allows. For example, if your plan supports downloads on 2 devices, trying to download on a third will trigger an error asking you to remove downloads from another device. Each device can store up to 100 downloads. On top of that, some titles have yearly download limits due to licensing restrictions. If you're on Netflix's ad-supported plan, the limits are even tighter. You can download up to 15 titles per device per month, and downloads are limited to just 2 devices. Downloads aren't permanent. Many titles expire after a certain amount of time. Also, if a title is removed from Netflix, your downloaded copy stops working immediately. But if you're looking for a way around all of that, here's the fix. StreamFab Netflix Downloader. It lets you save Netflix content without all those annoying limits, and yes, you keep them for good. Using StreamFab Netflix Downloader is really simple. First, head to the official website and download the version that matches your computer. Installing it only takes a moment. Once installed, open the app, go to the Netflix section, and securely log into your account using the built-in browser. After logging in, browse or search for the movie or show you want to download. Just hit play inside the app and the downloader will automatically detect the video. Once detected, a download button will pop up. Here you can customize everything. Choose your preferred video quality, audio track, subtitles, and even batch select multiple episodes you love. When you're ready, hit download. The video will quickly save to your device, so you can watch it offline anytime, or transfer it to your phone or tablet for on-the-go viewing. So if you're done dealing with Netflix's download rules, StreamFab's a pretty handy way to skip the hassle. Give it a try and see if it makes things smoother. Got any questions? Just let me know. Thanks for watching. See you next time.